next baby. This one better cough.
Well, that was unexpected.
I was caught off guard, yes.
Was that a real sneeze, though?
It sounded
it's hard to fake a sneeze. Yeah. So if that was like a fake sneeze, that was very impressive.
I know. It didn't cough, though, so 0 in coughing.
Yeah.
But 10 goo goo gaga, 10 in baby similarity. 1, 2, 3. Bring on the next baby! There's no collusion in this! According to my notes, it says that one of staff wanted to submit a coughing baby.
Thank you, staff-san.
Thank you, staff-san.
I feel like I was so stunned that I didn't process what I was hearing properly.
You're like, oh my goodness, staff submitted a coughing baby.
I was trying to figure out which staff member it was, but I don't know.
Oh, well, playback. Well, staff, I was getting the frequencies, but I don't think I was getting a goo goo gaga, but it might just be because it's staff.
Maybe. I wasn't getting much goo goo gaga either, though. I do think this, I feel like, was not a streamer professional microphone, which I feel like was actually enhancing the experience.
Yes, because
the poor quality microphone.
A baby's not gonna have a $200, $300 microphone. The baby's coughing into their iPad.
The baby doesn't have the SM7B to cough into.
I really appreciate that they wanted to be a part of the coughing baby contest, though.
Yeah, me too.
Here, I will tell you who it is. But they wanted to be anonymous.
They wanted to remain anonymous.
A good baby. Thank you, staff-san. Oh, our vote. All right. All right, staff-san. 1, 2, 3. It seems that we've come to an agreement on staff. Yes.
But don't let this discourage you.
Do not be discouraged. Keep coughing.
Keep coughing.
We believe in you. Bring on the next baby. It appears that this is the last baby.
Final baby.
Our final baby.
Hello. Lovely to see you. Lovely. And I am here to take part in the baby coughing contest.
I'm speechless.
That sounded like a real baby. It wasn't just the coughing either. It was the coughing, but also the extras. The other baby noises on top of it were there.
1, 2, 3. She is the perfect baby for you.
I was very impressed. I think if I closed my eyes, I wouldn't be able to tell her apart from a real baby. Yeah.